Hey guys, good afternoon. It's a great day, or it has been. It still is. I got my oil changed to my car finally. Woohoo! I'm good for like another 3,000 miles. But commuting back and forth means I will have to change my oil quite frequently. But I should be good and not have to go back for a while. But yeah. It's been a pretty relaxed day at school. I only have one class. I went to my TA and talked to him about a grade, and it took longer than I expected. So I ended up not getting home till later, like an hour later than I usually do. But that made Tristan able to go with me when I got my oil changed. He just sat by me while we waited in there. And then, sorry if that made you yawn. We hung out. We had pizza for dinner. There's leftover pizza and some cheese sticks, and we're gonna eat that tomorrow. What else? I can't really think. Oh yeah, and we are on the last episode of season 1 of Gotham, so we're about to go to season 2. Yeah. But I'm gonna go because I need to go to bed, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, good afternoon. I'm ending the vlog like right here for my bed because I'm really tired and I don't want to get up and turn the lights on. Though I need to go take a shower in a few minutes, but I'm not gonna get up right now. There isn't any comments today, but today's question of the day is I'm so sorry I keep yawning. The question of the day is actually I don't have a question for some reason. What is your favorite Easter candy to get? I used to really like getting those marshmallow peeps when I was younger. They're still not bad. Chocolate's always good, but I don't know. I don't really think I have a favorite anymore. But comment down below, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.